Every few months, a new diet takes the world by a storm, and today we'll be talking about the detox diet. Unlike a lot of other diets, shedding weight shouldn't be the main focus of this one. Although you can drop a few kilos, the detox diet is all about cleansing your body of all the junk that we tend to put into it. So if you're looking to reset your body, this might be for you. Detox diets are basically short-term changes to your eating habits to get rid of all the toxins that build up in your body over time after eating super processed foods. This can be achieved by eating mainly juices, fruits, and vegetables, and can be done in many ways, either from a small change in your diet to an extreme one over the course of 3 to 7 days. First, it's important to choose the safest and best type of detox diet for you. There are a ton of variations out there. Some even include drinking a lemonade concoction made of water, lemon juice, and chili powder for 7 days. But there are much safer and easier ways to cleanse than that one. The ideal way to go about it is to cut out foods like meat, dairy, junk and processed foods, caffeine, sugar, salt, oils, and alcohol. It's up to you how much you want to cut out and how long you want to follow the diet for. Although you're cutting out quite a few crucial foods, the idea is to supplement them with as many fruits and vegetables as possible to keep your body balanced. It's also super important to keep yourself hydrated with water and lemon, green tea, juices, and coconut water, especially since you might feel a little bit weaker during the first few days of this diet. For example, you can start off your day with a glass of warm water with some lemon juice added to it. Then you can eat a bowl of fruit or some moong and chana salad. Between breakfast and lunch, you can make yourself a healthy juice of tomatoes and carrots and snack on some nuts. Follow it up with a khichdi for lunch and another round of lemon water after. If you get hungry in the evening, snack on some nuts and another bowl of fruit along with some green tea. Finish up with a dinner of a bean and vegetable salad. This cleansing diet aims to fix digestive issues, improve your circulation, and clear up your skin too. It also helps you boost the antioxidant content in your body, reduce cravings, and help you sleep and focus better as well. Although you can lose weight on this diet, most of the weight lost is because of the decrease in calories that you eat, and it's likely that you'll put on all the weight after resuming your usual diet. Because of the change in nutrients and the reduction in sugars, caffeine, and carbs, you might experience some headaches, nausea, tiredness, and have a little bit of a bad mood for the first few days. You might also have a difficult time finding the energy to exercise. Since this diet involves a huge change in your eating habits and a possible drop in your calorie intake, it's super important that you speak to your doctor or a dietitian before beginning it. If you're pregnant, diabetic, or have any kind of eating disorder, this is definitely a diet to skip. We hope that this helps you figure out whether a detox diet is the right one for you to cleanse your body. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.